Ever wondered what makes a sales funnel actually work? Let me take you behind the scenes of this one I just finished. I'll break down the design, the strategy, and the sales psychology that will make it convert. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing that people see when they go to your funnel or your landing page is your hook. If it doesn't grab your ideal audience attention, then they're gone. That's why I crafted this to call out the ideal audience and promise a clear outcome. It says here that this is a program for therapists to build a sustainable, scalable, and profitable business. So what's in it for the therapists? If they avail this system, they will be able to build a sustainable, scalable, and profitable business. Next one is the trust and pain points. People buy when they feel understood. So this section digs into their struggles and makes them go, oh, that's me. So we outlined here the struggles that my client's ideal audience might be feeling. The third one here is the offer. I made sure the benefits stand out, bullet points, bold text, and the visuals that sell. Next is social proof and testimonials. Seeing other people get results build trust fast. That's why I added strong testimonials and real names here that would make my client's target audience avail his product. Last one is a strong call to action. Notice how I didn't just say sign up or buy now. Instead, I used action-driven copy that tells the audience exactly what to do and what they'll get on my client sales page. I also added a sense of urgency here because people take action when they feel that they miss out something. Think about it. How many times have you hesitated on a purchase, but the moment you saw that it's selling out, limited spots are available, you immediately get it? Everything flows seamlessly from the hook to the offer to the action step, so visitors don't drop off and they actually buy your product. If you want a free funnel audit, send me a message.